Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to view your YouTube watch history, and now let's dive right in. Now to view your YouTube watch history, first open up your YouTube app on your phone. After opening your YouTube app, guys, on this interface at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see where it says the U available for us just beside the subscription. Tap on the U button over here and this kind of panel will appear, where again on this interface you can see the gear or the settings icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the settings or the gear icon at the top right corner and this kind of page will appear. Now in order to view your YouTube watch history, guys, you can see where it says the YouTube data in over here, where it says your data in YouTube just below the manage all history. Tap on the option where it says your data in YouTube and this kind of panel will appear, and if you scroll down you will be able to view your YouTube watch history as well as a YouTube search history over here. Now in order to view all of your watch history on YouTube, you can see where it says the manage your YouTube watch history over here, just on the category or the settings of YouTube watch history. Tap on manage your YouTube watch history and you land on this interface where you will be able to view all of your watched videos over here, and you can see here will be all of the videos which you had watched previously on YouTube. And if you want to delete a certain video you had watched on video, you can simply tap on the cross icon at the top right corner of each of these videos. You can see if you tap on it, it says confirm you'd like to delete this activity, and by doing that you can delete it, or you can just delete a custom range of over here. If you tap on the delete button over here, which is at the upper section just above the today over here, tap on it, this kind of interface will appear where you will be able to delete today's watch history, delete a custom range, and delete all time. By choosing these, guys, go through the process to delete if you want to. With that being said, guys, this is how you will be able to view your YouTube watch history. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.